Hi everyone. 2 months back, I made a video on Tensor token TNSR. In within 13 days, within these 30 days, it got double in the price. I made this video 2 months ago, and between these, I made also many videos on these tokens. And from that point, I gave around 0. Somewhat 38 0.38 cents. From then now it has been up to 0.76. The money had been doubled. If anybody have watched my previous videos, they could have get the opportunity to double their money in 30 days. So if you are new to my video, please subscribe my channel and press the like button so that if you don't miss any updates which I post regularly on my YouTube channel. So today I am talking about TNSR Tensor token. It is the leading NFT platform of Solana. It is a very good fundamental project. If you will look to the project website, you can get the all details where you can buy. It is available on all the big exchanges: binance, bybit, coinbase, okx. Name a platform where you can buy. It is available on all the exchanges. So it is right now at the current market cap value of $90 million. Last time when I posted, it was around 47 to 48 million dollars, and it has gone up to 0.7698. So 100% profit had been made from this token. I also made so many times video on this, that this is a good project, you should check out this. And I have made videos on hamster combat also, and that also got 2x in profit. After that tensor token, I made the video on hamster combat. And just like that, there are many coins and tokens which are about to 2x, 5x, 10x in the short term. So if you want any guidance, the description you can check my link of Telegram group. You can DM me on my Telegram username, and then you can talk to me to join my premium VIP group, so that I can guide you on which project you should buy or which project you should avoid. Everything about crypto. If you are new to the crypto market, please take some guidance from me or to a professional who you want to be guided. Just contact some professionals. By the way, anyways, I'm not a financial advisor. If you are doing trading in crypto, please be sure that this is a very highly volatile market. Prices can go very much up and down, fluctuate 40-50% in a day. So please take your own risk, your own responsibility if you trade on any tokens. This is it for today. The token is very nice. It has huge potential. The last dip was around 0.639. This was 24 hours chart since previous weeks and 30 days. 0.3 was the last dip, and since then it is going on in a uptrend. Slowly in a uptrend, it is going up and up and up and up. So should you buy now this token? I will not suggest you buy now because it is already pumped, as you can be the exit liquidity for the other people's. So just wait a moment, I'll let you know. If you want to get signals for the buying any crypto tokens, then join my VIP group. This is it for today. See you in the next video.